welcome to this channel. Now I told you in my previous video that I am going to be restyling my living area, so I thought it would be a great idea to create some DIY pillows for that space. Now I'm not going to be making the pillows from the scratch. I already have covers with me. They are all plain. I am just going to add some bohemian touch to them, just to go with the entire decor. So yeah, I'll just stop blabbering now and let's get started. First pillow, all we are going to need is a pillow cover, a ball of thick yarn, fabric glue and scissors. I have taken a chalk and created a line on the pillow cover with the help of a ruler. Now putting some glue on the line I created and then gluing the yarn on the top. For the next row, I am gluing the yarn in the zigzag pattern. And all you need to do after that is just keep repeating this until you get your desired pattern. For the second pillow, I am taking 3 strands of yarn in equal length, knotted one end about 2 inches from the top. I attach the top with the clipboard to stabilize it, and now I am going to make a braid out of these 3 strands. I knotted the end of the braid too. I created 2 braids like this, and then with the help of fabric glue, I stuck these braids in whatever shape I liked the best on the pillow. I could not take the pillow insert out because the pillow did not have any zip or buttons, so I preferred to work like this. Now we are going to create a tassel, which is super simple. All you need is a small piece of cardboard. Wrap the yarn for around 15 times on the cardboard and then cut the extras. The next steps are super self-explanatory. Then I sew this tassel to the pillow, and this pillow is now ready. This last pillow cover is the easiest. Create any shape out of a cloth and simply use fabric glue to stick on the top of the plain pillow cover. I love how the simple change can add so much dimension to the pillow. You guys had fun watching this video. I really had fun making these and I love how they turned out. So if you guys are here till the end of the video, I'll tell you a little secret. This is the actual pillow and I just designed the back side of it. Now it is a reversible pillow. So if you guys have any pillow cover which does not have a zip on the back side, you can DIY it and make it look pretty just as I did. If you like this video, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and please stay tuned for the next video because I am going to be using all these pillows and the DIYs that I made in the previous video, and I'll be restyling my living area. So please stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.